Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? Okay, so today in basic technology, we are going to be learning about metal. Okay, our topic for today in basic technology is on metal. So are we ready to get into today's lesson on metal? Okay, good. We're going to be looking at the meaning of metal, the properties of metal, classifications of metals, and so on. Okay? So first, let's look at the meaning of metals. Metals are special materials that people have used for a very long time. They are strong, shiny, and can conduct electricity and heat. Common metals you might know include iron, aluminum, and copper. So metals are naturally occurring chemical elements that have been used by humans for thousands of years. They are known for their excellent electrical conductivity, okay? So we are going to be looking at the properties of metal. Remember, metals are strong, shiny, and can conduct electricity and heat. They are special materials that humans have been using for thousands of years. They are naturally occurring chemical elements. Okay, so we are going to be looking at the properties of metals. Okay, one of the properties are conductivity. Metals can let electricity and heat pass through them easily. So metals are excellent conductors of electricity and heat, making them vital for electrical wiring and various industrial applications. Okay, so metals are excellent conductors for electricity and heat. Okay, another properties of metal are malleability. Metals can be squished and armored into different shapes without breaking. Okay, so metals can be armored or rolled into tiny sheets without breaking. This property is essential for shaping and forming metal products. Okay, they can be easily rolled into tiny sheets without breaking. They can be armored into different shapes without breaking. Okay, then we have ductility. Metals can be stretched into wires without breaking. Okay, so metals can be drawn into thin wires without losing their strength, without breaking. This property is crucial in manufacturing processes like wire drawing. Okay, so metals can be stretched without breaking. They can be stretched into wires without breaking. Okay, high melting points. Metals can handle high temperatures without melting. So metals generally have high melting points, which make them suitable for applications in high temperature environments. So they can handle high temperatures without melting. Okay, so the properties of metals are conductivity, malleability, ductility, and high melting points, right? Okay, good. So we are going to be looking at the classifications of metal. Okay, classification of metals. One, we have ferrous metals. These have iron in them, like steel. So ferrous metals are iron-based metals. Okay, these are iron-based metals, like steel and cast iron. So these are iron-based metals. Okay, non-ferrous metals. These don't have iron. Okay, like aluminum and copper. So these metals do not contain iron. Okay, non-ferrous metals, they don't contain iron. Then we have precious metals, special metals like gold and silver. So precious metals include gold and silver. Okay, then we have alloys, mixture of metals like steel, iron, and carbon. Okay, so alloys are mixtures of metals. Many metals are combined with other elements to form alloys. Okay, like steel, it's iron and carbon. So metals are classified into ferrous metals, non-ferrous metals, precious metals, and alloys. Okay, do we get that? We got that right? Good. So now we are going to be looking at metal forming and shaping process. Okay, metal forming and shaping processes. Okay, metals can be shaped in different ways. One, we have casting, melting metal and pouring it into molds to make shapes. Okay, so the melted metal is poured into a mold to create a specific shape. Okay, then forging, heating metal with a hammer to change its shape. Metals are shaped by applying force and heat, so typically using a hammer or press. Rolling, pressing metal between rollers to make it thinner or change its shape. Okay, so metal sheets or bars are they pass through rollers to reduce thickness or change their shapes to make it thinner. Okay, then extrusion, squeezing metal through a hole to make it into a specific shape. Okay, so forcing it through a hole to make a specific shape. Okay, then machining, cutting and shaping metal with tools for precision. That is cutting, drilling, grinding are used to shape metal parts for precision. These are the process of forming and shaping metal. Okay, So metals are strong and can conduct heat and electricity. They can be bent and stretched without breaking, right? There are different types of metals which we mentioned, like those with iron and those without, right? We use metal to make things, and we can shape them by melting, heating, pressing, squeezing, or cutting. And metals are important making everyday items we use, right? So we now know about metals, right? Good. So we understood today's lesson on metals. Okay, so we are going to be looking at our assignment, okay? I'm sure we'll be able to do our assignment because these are things we talked about, okay? Good.